Hello, this is Brock from Tackling Hub. Today I'm gonna show you how you can download and install the PyCharm IDE. After downloading the PyCharm IDE, I'm gonna show you some kind of Python examples with it. So we'll proceed by opening our web browser. In my case, I'm gonna open the Chrome web browser. Here I'm gonna type PyCharm download. Here as you can see, I'm on the official website of this IDE. So I'm gonna click in this one, www.jetbrains.com. So I'm gonna click on this one. As you can see, here you can see three platforms. The first one is Windows, the second one is Mac operating system, and the third one is Linux. So from this, I'm on Windows at this time. So I'm on Windows and I will use this one. So here you can see there are two options. The first one is PyCharm Professional and second one is PyCharm the Community Edition one. So we need to know this. So this one needs license from you and this one is free to use. So I would kindly suggest you to download this the Community Edition one. So from this I'm gonna click download. So as you can see, it's already started downloading. It's around 458 megabytes. So we'll wait until it complete the downloading process. Okay, so the downloading process is completed. So I will move to the download folder so that I can find the PyCharm. So here it is. Here's the PyCharm. From this, I will begin the installing process. Double click to begin the process. Let me minimize this one so that it will be visible to you. I think it is asking permission, so I'm gonna click yes. So the installing process is already begin, so I'm gonna click next. This is the path or the location that I'm gonna find the PyCharm. So this one is the space required, that's 1.7 GB. You must have this much free space on your computer, as you can see, minus this one. So I'm gonna click next. Here I will check all the boxes because all of them are very essential. This one is the desktop shortcut, so I'm gonna click this one and I'm gonna click this box too. This one is to create association with the Python, and at the last point I'm gonna check this box. Okay, so I'm gonna click next. So this one is okay. I'm gonna click install. So as you can see, the installation process is begin, so it may takes a few minutes. So we'll proceed to completion of the installing process. So the first part of the installation process is successfully completed. So fully install this PyCharm. You have two options: to reboot right now and to manually reboot later. So I'm gonna click reboot now. So we'll proceed the video after installing the PyCharm. So I'm gonna click finish. So I'm restarting my computer, then we'll proceed from there. So after restarting or after rebooting your computer, as you can see here I have the PyCharm shortcut. So I'm gonna double click on it to launch or to begin. So it's opening. Here I'm gonna click this one, the box. Then I'm gonna click continue. Here I'm gonna click send anonymous statics because it is possible to change whenever you want it later. The PyCharm is ready to use, so I'm gonna maximize this one. Then I'm gonna click new project. So it is selecting where I'm gonna save my files. Is the location. Then okay, from this I'm gonna change my project name like first project. So here I'm gonna click this one. I will leave this one for now, and it is showing the Python version. And as I already told you before, I've installed, as I told you before in my previous video, I installed the latest version of Python. And if you don't install Python in your computer, it is the video, and you can click this video. So see the complete process of downloading and installing the latest version of Python in 2024. So here's my latest version of Python. So I'm gonna click create here. I told you there must be Python in your computer, otherwise it will give you option to download the latest version of Python. So as I told you, I have already downloaded Python in my computer, so it is opening. It's already generated automatic code. So to check whether our PyCharm is operating properly or not, I'm gonna click run. Here is the file name, automatic file name, so it's main.py, and here is the button to run, so I'm gonna click run. Wow, it's beautiful. It's working. As you can see, our first program was PyCharm. So from this video, I hope you got a lot of things how I successfully ran the first program that's PyCharm. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you a lot. So please subscribe our channel, click the like button, and write your comment below so that I can make a lot of videos for you. Thank you for watching.